Hi, welcome back to the Cluttered Workbench. I have to apologize to my viewers on my last week's video on solder. This I mistook for Kester LD100 lead-free solder. It is not. This is actually SAC 305 or Sierra Alpha Charlie 305. It's 96.5% tin, otherwise that's on the periodic table of SN, or Sierra November, and that's the first part of the SAC. The second is 3% silver, which would be on the periodic table of AG, or Alpha Golf. On the periodic table of elements, that's where the SA, and then the C is Cu, or copper. And the 3 on the SAC 305, the 3 is for the 3% silver, the 05 is for the 0.05% copper. So I do apologize. Amazon misled me when I bought this stuff, classifying it as LD100, which is a totally different blend. This is not eutectic, so I do apologize, but this is a very good solder. Over the past few years, they've worked on alloys and trying different blends to reduce the amount of tin whiskers and make it easier to work with for hobbyists, and also in production lines, because in production, because of ROHS, which we call RoHS, the reduction of hazardous substances, they don't want lead-based solder in production anymore, although in certain applications it's still used, especially mission critical or high vibration. Lead's a little more flexible. But again, to my viewers, I do apologize. This is not LD100, this is SAC 305, which is quite common now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.